Okay, here we're going to learn how to use VideoPad. Go to launch, and it don't matter where you're bringing it from. Go to new project. You take the rough video, drop it in this box. It'll take it a few minutes to add the file. Well, it usually does from the beginning anyway. Okay, and you come over here to place. Place it on the sequence at start. Then you can stretch it out using this little thing down here, and it'll make all your, you can't tell what's going on with the pictures, but you can tell with the audio. So you want to come in, move it past, and you can watch it up in this screen up here, what's going on when you're moving your cursor, see? So you bring it back to a place and you let go, and you go over here to your scissor bar, and it cuts it. Then you drag it over. And say you get all the way through your video. Let's go in here and cut a couple more pieces just so I can show you this. And so you go and you go to wherever you want it to start back up. You get your hand on top of the bar there. The scissors come up. Sometimes they don't want to stay up. You do like this. Okay. Once you get done with everything you don't want there, you shrink it back down to size and you come back to the end. And you see here where it's got, you got to move your cursor down if you're going to blow this thing up, because it won't blow up except wherever it's at. So you blow it back up again. Then you can go from this point to, let's get it down here to the end. Then you can go from this point, well, let's do it the other way then. It won't let me do it that way. Let's get the cursor back. Put the cursor back here. Then, see how it's turning it all blue? Then you hit the garbage can, and it throws it away. And see, there's a little bit left there. So I'm going to back up the cursor and catch that. And the only way I found to catch that would be to bring, because it's hard to get it big enough where you can get a hold of it, but you can grow that thing out like that. Bring the cursor over to the end, and then bring it over like that, and bring up your garbage can again. Of course, it looks like it's still got a little bit there, don't it? Maybe I didn't get it all. Okay, we'll try it again. This time we'll see if we can make sure we get in the right place. The only thing I did then, trash it. There, now we got rid of it all. Shrink it all back down. Put this over here somewhere so you can blow it back up to the size of the thing there. Go up here to export video file. Then it'll ask you to name it. You name it whatever you want to name it and hit create. And it takes a while for it to create it. This time it probably won't because it's already created one. But then it'll come up into a file name. See, that's what it does there. But anyway, it'll come show in folder or something over here. And you can click show it in folder and it'll show it where it went. And you can click on it and drag that over to the side screen there, and it'll leave this creation. See, this is how I just did the other one. And it'll be cropped down to everything you want, even with the splices in it. So I'm going to see now if I can get you this video. so you can understand what I'm talking about. Just cancel that, cancel the export, because I'm not planning on saving that. Okay, let's